With the TAMRON Lens Utility Mobile app, we can turn the focus ring into an aperture control. That's really useful for photos because we can adjust the aperture directly at the lens. But it's also very useful for videos because we can adjust the exposure in a recording. And that helps us to bring in creative video effects. We've used this in a short film that we just shot here, so let's take a look at one of the scenes and then how we shot everything. To change the function of the focus ring, we first need to connect the lens to a smartphone with a cable. In the app, we can then assign a new function to the focus set button. In the lens tab, we go to Switch button and activate the ring function. Then we can decide if we want to click or hold the button. That's basically it, and we can directly use the feature on our lens. When we now click or hold the button, the function of the ring switches between the focus and the aperture. If we click or hold it again, the function will also change back again. Now let's take a look at how we can use this in our short film. In our shot, we want the exposure to change in between, so we can use this later for a transition. For that, I open the aperture all the way to overexpose the shot in the beginning. During the recording, I turn the ring to close the aperture and to make our shot darker. In the end, I open the aperture so that our shot gets brighter again. This is how the shot looks without editing. In post, we speed the shot up and add some old film effects. We use the same effect on a video with a clock and a clockwork. Then we have all the scenes that we need for our short film.